Hi, good morning all of you. Last day we were discussing about the properties of determinants. I think you studied that one, isn't it? Very good. So today we can do some problems based on that one. See one problem. One determinant value is equal to 2 times of another one determinant value. We need to prove the left side and the right side are equal. So we can do start from the left side. Left side is given b plus c, c plus a plus b, q plus r, r plus p, p plus q, y plus z, z plus x, x plus y. And we need to make into the, see this one here sum is there and here no only single terms are there. So we can do some elementary operations to change that one. Okay. So first I am going to interchange the rows and columns because column transformation is easy for me, that's why. So it is equal to, and we studied while interchanging the rows and columns there will not be any change for the determinant value. So we can change it as first column will become first row. So it will come b plus c, c plus a plus b, and this one q plus r, r plus p, p plus q, and this one y plus z, z plus x, and x plus y. Okay, we interchanged the rows and columns, and this is equal to this two terms we need to subtract now. What we can do? See, this is third column. In this third column, see this one a b is there, here also a b is there, p q is there. So like this, some connection is there. See x plus y is there, and here x and y is there. So if you are subtracting from C3 minus C1 plus C2, what will happen? C3 minus C1 plus C2. C3 is going to change. C3 is A plus B. So A plus B minus sum of these two means A and A, B will cancel. We will get a C only. Isn't it? So in C1 no change. B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z. C2 also no change. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. C3 is going to change like this. C3 is going to change C3 minus C1 plus C2 because A plus B is there. So from here, if you are subtracting this one, A will cancel. If you are subtracting this one from here, B will cancel. That's why their sum we are subtracting. So C3 minus C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 is A plus B plus 2C. A plus B minus A plus B plus 2C will come minus 2C, and the same way here P plus Q cancelled, we are getting minus 2R, and from here X and Y cancelled, we will get to minus 2Z. We did one elementary transformation. C3 changes to C1 plus C3 minus C1 plus C2. So we got here CRXZ. So we can take this minus 2 outside. So next step will come minus 2 outside. Now change for the first column B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z. Second column C plus A. Better you can write with me. R plus P, Z plus X, and the third column we took minus 2 outside. So it will come C, R, Z. Okay. Then here also this is okay, CRZ we will get it as CRZ, means later we can interchange the rows and columns. So one third row in our answer is we got it as third column, and here also we need to make the changes. What change we can do? C2 we need to change it as CRZ we need to remove. So what we can do? C2 minus C3 we can do. So C will cancel, from here R will cancel, so we will get APX. Okay, see that one APX, and C3 minus C1, no C1 minus C3 means CRZ we need to remove. So what are the steps we can do? C1 changes to C1 minus C3 and C2 changes to C2 minus C3. Like this two steps together we can do. means C1 is changing, here C2 is changing. So it is coming minus 2 into, here C1 is going to change, C1 minus C3. So B plus C minus C, we will get B only, Q plus R minus R, Q, and this is Y plus Z minus Z, we are getting Y. And the next one, A plus C minus C, we will get A, P plus R minus R, we will get to P, and the same way we will get it as X. Then this is C, R, Z. So we got like this. And see, B, Q, Y is coming the first column, and there it is in the second row. So we can interchange these two because we need A, P, X as first. Okay, so C1 interchanging with, see this notation, C1 interchanging with the C2, C1 and C2 interchanging. And we studied while interchanging any two rows or any two columns, what will happen for the determinant value? Determinant value's sign will change, isn't it? So, while changing these two, means C1 and C2, when we are interchanging, what will happen? One negative will come outside, means now it is negative, so it will come positive. Total will come positive, one negative will come outside while changing the determinant value. So that minus and this minus will become positive, or you can think now it's negative, while interchanging the columns we will get one sign changing, that means its sign will be positive. Anyway you can think. So it will come 2 times of APX first, APX, then second column is BQY, then third column is CRZ. Then what you will do? We need ABC as column. So you can interchange the values, rows and columns. You will get ABC as the first column, PQR as the second column, XYZ as the third column. That means one more step you can write for interchanging the values to get that right side. So we reached in the RHS side. Understood? So like this we will apply. Okay. Then next. And see another question. One determinant value we need to prove it as equal to 0. So what we can do? We can multiply this R1 with 1C. So this will come 0 AC minus BC. So simply we can multiply with the C. So for adjustment we can write 1 by C outside. Okay. So R1 changes to R1 into C. Okay. So this will come 1 by C into 0 multiply by C, AC minus BC. Some tricks we are applying to apply the law, means to make the determinant, to find the determinant value, its calculation, to make it as very simple, means shortcut by using the properties. Okay. So it will come second row no change, minus A 0 minus C, B C 0. Now what we can do, we can we need either any two, I am going to make the any two rows or any two columns are identical because the answer is 0. So when getting two rows are identical, we can directly write its determinant value is equal to 0. Okay, so I am going to try to make any two rows are identical. So for that, here BC is there, no? BC is there. BC 0, this we can make it as 0. So minus BC is there. If you multiply this one with B and subtracting, you will get 0. So what we can do, R1 changes to R1 minus BR2. R1 is going to change again. 0 minus A into B. So it will come, means second row we are multiplying by B and from the first row we are subtracting the second row. So this will come AB 0 CB while multiplying by B. So 0 minus AB will come plus AB. AC minus 0 will come AC. Minus BC minus BC will come 0. And the second row no change, minus A 0 minus C, and the third row no change, B, C 0. Okay. Then see here A is common factor, so we can take it outside in the next step. So it will come A by C into B C 0, B C 0 minus A 0 minus C, B C 0. Now see the first row and the third row are identical, so we can directly write its value is equal to 0, determinant value is equal to 0. Okay, then next question. Prove that determinant 1 1 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. Okay. So we need A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So to make that one we can do subtraction. A minus B is required, B minus C is required. So we can change C1 as C1 minus C2 and C2 as C2 minus C3. So C1 is going to change C1 minus C2. So it will come 1 minus 1 0, A minus B, and this is A cube minus B cube. C2 is going to change, so 1 minus 1 0, B minus C, and this is B cube minus C cube, and C3 no change, 1 C C cube. Okay, then it is equal to, see this one, this is A cube minus B cube. You know what expansion for factorization for A cube minus B cube. What is A cube minus B cube? A minus B. A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Correct now? Direct identities, A cube minus B cube is factorization, A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. And the second also we can write like that, 0 B minus C, and this is B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. And the third row, no, third column no change, 1 C C cube. Okay, and see in the first column A minus B is common, we can take it outside. So it will come A minus B from the first column we took outside. So first column becomes 0, A minus B we took it outside, so 1. From here it will come A square plus AB plus B square. And from the second column we can take B minus C outside. So B minus C also came outside. So it will come 0, 1, B square plus BC plus C square. And the third column no change, 1 C C cube. Okay, then see first rows 2 elements become 0, only one element is there, so we can do expansion by using the first row. So expanding along R1, expanding along R1. So it will come A minus B into B minus C into, we are going to expand along R1. So 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, plus 1 into 1 including row and column we removed, 1 into this one minus this one into this one. So it will come B square plus BC plus C square minus 1 into this one. It will come A square plus AB plus B square. Now it will come A minus B into B minus C into, remove this bracket, B square plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus B square. And plus B square minus B square cancelled. BC minus AB I am writing together. So it will come A minus B into B minus C into BC minus AB writing together, AB plus C square minus A square, C square minus A square. Okay. Then it is equal to A minus B into B minus C into, see from these two terms we are taking b outside. So we are getting b into c minus a plus c square minus a square, we can use the identity. So it will come c plus a into c minus a. So it is c plus a into c minus a. From these two terms c minus a is common factor, we can take it outside. A minus b into b minus c into c minus a into c minus a coming outside, so it will be only from c minus a coming outside, so it will come c plus a. So we reached the right side. A minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. Okay, so like that. See another question. One determinant value we need to prove it as a plus b plus c whole cube. So we need a plus b plus c, isn't it? This is a minus b minus c. This is 2b, this is 2c. While adding these three, you will get a plus b plus c. Correct now? So we can add first row plus second row plus third row. So R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. See how we are getting that idea? We need a plus b plus c, so we are going to make that one. Then adding these three, a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c will come a plus b plus c. And this one while adding also we will get 2a plus 2c minus a minus c is minus c minus a plus b, so it will come a plus b plus c. And here also 2a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b, 2b minus a, so that also will come a plus b plus c. Okay. Then second row no change, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Then we can take a plus b plus c is common in the first row. So a plus b plus c we can take it outside. So the first row become 1, 1, 1, 2b, b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Okay. Then see, we can make these two elements are 0 to expand to make the calculation easy. Now you can expand, but the lengthy steps will come. That's why we are making into short form, and after that means many elements we will make it as 0. Then after that we will do the expansion. So going to make this element as 0, this element is 0. So what we are going to do? C2 changes to C2 minus C1, and C3 also we can change it to C3 minus C1. This minus this, this minus this. Then what will come for that determinant? It will come C1 no change. This step I am writing here. C1 no change. So a plus b plus c is outside. C1 1, 2b, 2c, and 1 minus 1 0. B minus c minus a minus 2b will come. B minus 2b will come minus b. So minus b minus c minus a will come. 2c minus 2c 0. And C3 also going to change, C3 minus C1. So 1 minus 1 0. 2b minus 2b 0. C minus a minus b minus 2c will come minus c minus a minus b. Okay. Then next, a plus b plus c into, we can expand along R1. See, R1's two elements become 0. So we can expand along R1. So it will come 1 into this row including this element including row and column removed, this into this. So minus of, minus we can take common from these three. So minus of a plus b plus c into, here also minus we can take it outside. So minus of a plus b plus c will come. Minus into minus plus. A plus b plus c into a plus b plus c will come a plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c whole square will come a plus b plus c whole cube. Got it? Next question. One determinant value is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. We need to prove this one. So we can start. See from the first row A is here, so we can take A from the first row. This is a square plus 1. See, a square plus 1 we can write as a by a. So how will you take a outside? From a square a outside a will come. From a by a, 1 a outside, so it will come 1 by a. So first term will come, it will get 1 a plus 1 by a. So from the first row, from R1 we are taking a outside, from R2 we are taking b outside, from R3 we are taking c outside. Okay. Then you may think how madam know how means we need to take like this. While doing many questions, that's why I told you to study the example questions. While doing many questions you will get the idea, means to look the answer, and in trigonometry we are doing like this now. We will look the right side of the answer and we will start from the left side and we will do the we will apply the trigonometric identities and we will reach the right side. Like that we are looking the right side and we are going to reach that right side. Okay, that much only. Direct expansion also will give the answer, but that will not be very easy. It will be too long. So we are doing some tricks to apply that. By applying the properties, we are making it as short and doing the problem. Okay. So A is common, we took it outside. B is common from the R1, R2. C is common from R3, we took outside. So it will come A plus 1 by A. From here it is B, then C, A outside. So it is AB, B square plus 1. Actually not outside taking, we are common, we can take it outside, like that we studied. Some K into R1 means K into that determinant value. Like that we studied one property. And here AB, B is here, B is here, B is here, we are taking it outside. So it will come A, this will come B plus 1 by B. From this term B is coming, so B plus from 1 B is coming outside, it will come 1 by A balance. And this is C. And here we are getting C outside, so A, B, C plus 1 by C. Okay. Then next. See, here A is there, here A is there, we can subtract this one. Then C minus C, we will get it as 0. So next step we are going to do R1, R2 we can make change. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Okay, that change we can do. A, B, C outside. R1 no change. A plus 1 by A, B, C. R2 is going to change A minus A plus 1 by A. So A cancelled, it will come minus 1 by A. B plus 1 by B minus B, it will come 1 by B. C minus C will come 0. And A minus A plus same thing. A minus, this will come minus 1 by A. B minus B is 0. And C plus 1 by C minus C is 1 by C. So we got like this. Okay. Then see in the first column 1 by A is common, or you can write it as A square plus 1 by A. So it will come 1 by A common. So from the first column I am taking 1 by A outside. And from the second column, this we can write it as B, we can write it as B square by B. So 1 by B we can take it outside, and from here also C we can write as C square by A. So 1 by C will come outside. So that step I am writing. A, B, C is there outside, and 1 by A from first column, 1 by B from second column, 1 by C from third column. And now the determinant will come. 1 by A we took it outside. So it will come A square plus 1. A square plus 1. This is minus 1. This is also minus 1. And from here B square, because B is B square by A. Sorry, B square by B. So we took 1 by B outside. So B square will be there. b is equal to b square by b. 1 by b outside means b square will be there. So b square, this is 1, this is 0. And from here c square 0, 1. So we got like this. Okay. Then we can expand, means this is very simple, or this one we can do. We can expand along R3 or R2 also, no problem, because R2 one element is 0, R3 also one element is 0. So I am going to see one ABC by ABC become 1. So this is 1. So it will come, so expanding along R3. Along R3 I am expanding. So see, positive, negative, positive. So minus 1 into 0 minus c square plus this into value we wrote, then minus 0 into 0 will come, then this is plus 1 into a square plus 1 into 1, a square plus 1 minus b square, that means plus b square. So we got it as minus into minus plus, so we got it as c square plus 1 into a square plus 1 plus b square is a square plus 1 plus b square. So our answer is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. That is our right hand side. Okay. So like this problems, so many problems are there in the exercise. So I think you will be able to do like this question. So first you do which all the questions explained in the class. After that you complete the remaining questions, and if you are not getting, you can call me, or you can through WhatsApp you can send the photo where you got stuck. Okay, so that much only for today. Okay children, study well and do all the problems also. Thank you.